Namaskar, myself Dr. Santosh, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Dr. Santosh Kumar Pari. Friends, as you know, I have made this channel to just spread the awareness among the people with respect to the homeopathic treatment and its medicines. Most of the people still now, they think that homeopathic treatment is a very slow procedure and it takes so many time to cure all the diseases, maybe acute or chronic. But unfortunately, our government also do not have an idea how to develop this homeopathic treatment. But I have planned so many things to spread this homeopathic treatment throughout the world and to help all the people who are suffering from so many acute and chronic diseases. I know most of the people throughout the world are suffering, but due to lack of their awareness, they are bound to use all the allopathic medicines. In this sequence, I have made so many videos in Hindi with respect to the diseases and their homeopathic treatment. And now I want to make some videos in English also so that people around the world they can also know the homeopathic treatment procedure. They could also use all the medicines. If they do not got all the medicines in their own area, they can buy it online. So in this respect, I have made 2 to 3 videos previously related to diabetes mellitus, hair fall, and the homeopathic procedure, how it is original homeopathic and how the patent homeopathy medicine are different with each other. Today in this video I want to speak something about a particular disease, that is Alopecia areata, which is very much seen throughout the world. I have received so many calls in USA, Canada, Australia, Germany. These countries are people suffering from this alopecia areata, and due to lack of awareness how homeopathy treatment can cure it properly, they are continually using this allopathic treatment. They are using the injections, the external applications on the alopecia spots. First of all, I want to tell something briefly with respect to the alopecia areata. Friends, these alopecia areata are some patches. This is a disease which is called in the allopathic system as an autoimmune disease. In this disease, some patches, round circular patches are created through the scalp, or maybe they be present in the beard or any parts of the body. They must be in a circular patch. In that patch, all the hairs are lost. Patches are just like coins. They may be one or they may be multiple. These are created just because of the fungal infection on their body. But in allopathic treatment, they told it as an autoimmune disease because due to lack of immune system in our body, there must be some external fungal or bacterial invasion which create these patches. And they just try to make it application by externally or by injections, or internally they may use some antibiotics, but actually it is incurable, mostly incurable in allopathic treatment. And when in some cases it is cured or it is abolished, they come back soon after the stoppage of the medicines. But with respect to the homeopathic treatment, I want to share you some beautiful results which I got in my 15-year experience. There are so many cases of mine in the alopecia areata that just cured. I have also uploaded the sequence of videos, the previous before treatment and the after treatment, as you've seen in my YouTube channel. In English also, today I want to, this video, I want to tell you all the things, all the medicine procedures, how can you use and you can be better cured all the alopecia areata cases. I know most of the people think homeopathy is a slow procedure, but related to alopecia areata, it needs to take all the medicines with proper procedure between 5 to 6 months and maximum 1 to 2 year or 3 year. It ranges from 6 months to 3 to 4 year. The more the disease are take time to create, the more it will take to disappear in the same manner. All the hair in the patches are recovered within the particular time, maybe from 6 months to 3 years. I have got beautiful results. The cases, all the cases I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. You might watch all these videos. And now I want to tell you some proper medicines which I've just used in these particular cases and got beautiful results. The most important medicines are acid phos, or that may also called phosphoric acid, fluoric acid, phosphorus, basilinum, graphitis and natromure. These are some beautiful medicines which are beautifully used by us doctors in homeopathic treatment to cure the alopecia areata. But first of all, we have to know how we can diagnose this and properly use these homeopathic medicines to cure the alopecia areata. First of all, we have to think two types. First is the acute treatment and second is the constitutional treatment. In acute treatment, we have to continue some medicines in lower potency. And in constitutional part, we have to make the proper diagnosis of the case, proper case taking of the case, and on the behalf of what, we have to find a proper medicines, a constitutional remedy that we have to use in a 200 potency or more than that, and 2 to 3 doses only. So in this respect, which I have previously used in all of my patients, those who are suffering from alopecia areata, I have seen that only 4 medicines out of so many medicines, mostly the used medicines in 90% of my cases are acid phos, fluoric acid, basilinum and phosphorus. These are the 4 medicines. And first 2 are the acute medicines and the second 2 are the constitutional medicines. Phosphoric acid or acid phos and fluoric acid, they are used in 30 potency 2 times a day, directly on your tongue, 4 to 5 drops. These are the acute medicines, should be continued for 2 to 3 months at a stretch. And in between them, the constitutional medicine that are basilinum and phosphorus are used in 200 potency. They are in the same procedure, directly applied on the tongue, 4 to 5 drops. But they should not be repeated too much time. As they are in 200 potency, we have to use them 2 to 3 doses maximum time. Means in 15 days, we have to repeat them alternately. As you know, constitutional medicines are very much effective to permanent cure of the disease. They should not be repeated. If we repeat the constitutional remedy, they have lost all the characteristics of the medicinal properties. So, the acute medicines which I have told, they must be used in lower potency and may be repeated. In constitutional medicine, they are in 200 potency, must not be repeated to get the beneficial, beneficial effects in minimum time procedure. So these 4 medicines are beautifully used to get rid of all the alopecia areata cases, and all the hair in the patches are recovered within ranges from 6 months to 3 years. Briefly, I want to tell you the proper procedure. First of all, you have to buy these 4 medicines: phosphoric acid, fluoric acid, phosphorus and basilinum. Basilinum 200 you have to take the first date, 200 potency, 3 to 4 drops morning and evening. On day 2, you have to start the acute medicine, the acid phos and fluoric acid, morning and evening. Means in morning if you are taking the acid phos, in the evening you have to take fluoric acid directly on the tongue, 4 to 5 drops in empty stomach, and it should be continued for 15 days. On day 15 or 16, you have to take phosphorus 200, same 200, 2 doses morning and evening, 4 to 5 drops in empty stomach. On that day you are using basilinum phosphorus, you should not use the acid phos or fluoric acid. This is the proper procedure. Again, 15 days after that, on day 30, you have to again use basilinum 200. 2 to 3 drops, you have to reduce the drops now. 2 to 3 drops, same morning and evening. Again, after 15 days, you have to repeat the phosphorus 200. Again, you have to reduce the dose of phosphorus, 2 to 3 drops. In this way, you have to continue for 2 months. And in between that, you have to continue the acute medicines, the acid phos and fluoric acid. The day you are taking the basilinum and phosphorus, you should not take the acute medicines. On the other days, you have to continue all the acute medicines, the acid phos and fluoric acid. And in between these days, you have to avoid some of the foods, just like oily foods, spicy foods, mostly non-veg as a meat, and some allergic food just like crabs, the prawns. You have to avoid all these things. And after 3 to 4 months, you will see some beautiful results from the alopecia patches. Some follicles are got activated and new hairs are coming out. I have seen in all of my cases these beautiful results. Also uploaded some of them. And still there are so many cases are on the way of the treatment, and I will in future upload all the results in front of you. So friends, here I want to tell you that in alopecia case areata, please use the homeopathic treatment. We have got so many beautiful medicines. So you first of all you have to lay faith on this treatment. Most people think this is a slow procedure. They use only medicines for 1 to 2 months and they left behind, and they do not got any result. But you have to make faith on this treatment, as I have got beautiful results in my own clinical practice. So you have to make a faith on this treatment procedure and should use at least for 6 months to 1 year. You will see beautiful results without any side effects. Most of the people ask me that is homeopathy medicine have side effects? No, absolutely not. Homeopathy medicines have not absolutely any side effects. They are the beautiful medicines created by nature, and maybe organic or inorganic do not have a side effect just because they are very much minimal in their doses. Most people say that homeopathy medicines contain alcohol, that's why it's a side effect, but absolutely wrong. This is a somewhat purified alcohol who is just used to preserve the medicines. These alcohol should not have any side effect on your body because we are taking very much in minimal quantities. So just take out of all the things and use these homeopathy medicines. You will got beautiful results from them. So this video is for just because of you people approached me to make a video in English, and for you people I made this video with respect to homeopathic treatment and its proper treatment guide of alopecia areata. So that's it for now, and keep watching all of my videos so that I've got a chance to make some more videos in front of you. Dhanyavad, namaskar, bye.